Hi everyone, my name is Yetui. I'm an English teacher and a content creator from Myanmar. Now I'm speaking to you not just as a content creator, but as someone from Mandalay, Myanmar, my beloved hometown, which was struck by a devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake last Friday. This tragedy has shaken our nation to its core. The official death toll has now reached over 2,000 people, and experts fear that the number could rise to over 10,000 in the coming days. Thousands are injured, homes, schools, and hospitals have crumbled. Families are trapped, people are still searching for their loved ones, and are rubble. Survivors are in desperate need of food, shelter, medical care, and emotional support. But it's not just lives we are losing. We are also witnessing the heartbreaking destructions of our cultural and spiritual identity. Centuries-old religious monuments and heritage sites, Buddhist pagodas, churches, mosques, Hindu temples have turned into piles of bricks. These places stood as symbol of unity, peace, and history. Now they are gone. It's painful to see.
Allah. Mamita gaya na kumandaan ito.
It is not just a local tragedy, it is a humanitarian crisis. My own community, my friends, my family, my people are living in fear, uncertainty, and pain. but we are not giving up hope. If you're watching this, I ask you from the bottom of my heart, please don't look away. Share this video. Talk about what's happening in Myanmar, and if you can, please donate to trusted organizations that are actively working on the ground. So let's come together across borders and backgrounds to help Myanmar in this time of need. Our voice can carry hope, and our action can bring healing. Thanks for standing with us.